In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to carefully delete OneDrive files without deleting them from your PC. If you've ever worried about losing important files while managing your OneDrive space, you're in the right place. Let's walk through this process together. First off, open the OneDrive folder on your PC. You can typically find it in your File Explorer, marked with that recognizable blue cloud icon. This location houses the files that are currently synced between your PC and the cloud. The goal here is to ensure your files stay on your PC while freeing up some precious OneDrive storage. Next, let's choose the files or folders you want to handle. Make sure you've selected only those you want to unsync, rather than delete from your PC. Once you've made your selections, right-click on them. From the context menu, you'll see an option called Always Keep on this device. Click on it. This important step ensures that even if the files are removed from OneDrive, they will stay securely on your PC. By selecting Always Keep on this device, Windows will download the files to your computer once more, making sure they are locally stored. Now, navigate to the OneDrive icon in your system tray. You'll see the cloud icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Right-click on this icon and then click on Settings. The Settings menu is where we'll make the crucial changes to ensure files get unlinked from OneDrive without deletion. In the Settings window, click on the Account tab. Here's where you'll manage your file syncing preferences. Click on Choose Folders. This feature allows you to specify which files should no longer sync between your PC and OneDrive. Here, you need to uncheck the boxes next to the folders you want to stop syncing. Once you've unchecked the desired folders, hit OK. By doing this, you're telling OneDrive not to keep these files in sync with the cloud version. With this change saved, OneDrive will remove those files from the cloud but keep them safely on your PC. Remember, these steps ensure files are desynced, not deleted. They're saved locally, and you'll have access to them without affecting your OneDrive storage. Let's finish off by confirming everything's gone as planned. Return to your OneDrive folder on your PC. The files you've desynced should now be present on your device, marked with a green tick symbol. If you see this, congratulations, you've successfully maintained your documents locally while trimming down what's stored on OneDrive's cloud. That's it. You've learned how to manage your OneDrive space wisely without losing access to important files on your computer. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other tech tips videos for more helpful guidance. Happy file managing!